This is Igbo Online College. My name is Edith Ngobu. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's lesson, you're going to learn how to ask when in Igbo. So stick around and let's go down to the lesson. When. Kedu mgbe, when. Kedu oge, when. Oge and mgbe are used interchangeably. They mean the same thing, when. When you want to ask somebody when, you say kedu oge or kedu mgbe. For instance, you want to say, when are you coming? You either say kedu oge na-abịa or kedu mgbe na-abịa. Another example, if you want to say, when did it happen? In Igbo, you say, kedu oge o mere? Kedu mgbe o mere? Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so by pressing the button down below. It is free. Thank you so much. When trying to ask when in Igbo, you must use kedu. Kedu mgbe. Kedu must be there. Kedu mgbe or kedu oge. Look at the following examples. When are you coming? Kedu mgbe na-abịa or kedu oge na-abịa. When did it happen? Kedu mgbe o mere or kedu oge o mere. When did you come? Kedu mgbe ị bịara or kedu oge ị bịara. Another example is, when are we going? Kedu oge anyị ga-aga. Kedu mgbe anyị ga-aga. When are we traveling? Kedu mgbe anyị ga-eme njem. Kedu oge anyị ga-eme njem. So basically, mgbe and oge mean the same thing. They could be used interchangeably. So either you use oge or you use mgbe. But remember to add kedu before oge or mgbe whenever you want to know about time. You use it when you want to know when you are supposed to do something, when someone would do something, or when someone is supposed to do something, or when something happened, a period of time. Kedu mgbe, kedu oge. To ask all these questions, you just add kedu mgbe. You just add kedu before mgbe. Then you add whatever you want to know about. For instance, you say kedu mgbe or kedu oge. You add what you want to know about. So this is basically the form it takes. Just kedu mgbe or oge. Then you add whatever you want to ask about, whatever it is you want to know the time frame. I hope that was helpful. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so by pressing the button down below. It is free. Thank you so much.